Good morning, children. Last class I completed two syntaxes. Those are for loop and while loop. Now in this class, two more syntaxes I will complete. Those are do while loop and ternary operator. Now do while loop, note down all of you. Do while loop. Points note down. It is also called as exit control loop. It is also called as exit control loop. Next, we know that while loop, when we don't know the number of iterations, we are using while loop. Same here also, when we don't know the number of iterations, and at least one time you want to execute, then we are using do while loop. When we don't know the number of iterations, that means number of iterations are not fixed and at least we want to execute, then we are going to use do while loop. The only difference between while loop and do while loop is what? There also, when we don't know the number of iterations, we are using while loop. Here also we are using in do while loop. When we don't know the number of iterations, we are using do while loop. But here it will execute at least one time, whereas in while loop, it will not execute at least one time. If the condition is false, it will not enter into the block in while loop. Whereas in do while loop, at least one time it will execute even if the condition is false. That's why it is an exit control loop. Now the syntax note down. Do statements or statements while condition. Semicolon compulsory here. So this is the syntax of do while loop. It is an exit control loop. While leaving, at least one time it will execute the block. If the condition is true or false, it is going to execute at least one time. So this is the syntax of do while loop. Now I will show the example in a BlueJ system. We take the new class, do while example. Do while example. Main method, public static void main, args. Then open main, declare any one variable, a is equal to 1 initialize, do system.out.println statement according to syntax. A plus plus increment. Then while condition a less than or equal to 10. So here I'll use horizontal I want to print. So system.out.println print. At the end semicolon compulsory. Close main, close class, compile. No syntax errors. Now see the output. 1 to 10 you'll get the output. So this is the output. So the difference I'll show between while loop and do while loop. See the difference. Condition is what? A greater than or equal to 10. A greater than or equal to 10. One is what? Greater than or equal to 10. So whereas in while loop it will not execute at least once. Whereas in do while loop, even if the condition is false, it will execute at least once. So what is the output you are going to get here? 1. Compile. So this is the output in a do while loop even if the condition is false. Now see. If semicolon is missing, compile. Error. Immediately it will display error. So at the end, semicolon is compulsory. So this is the syntax and example of do while loop. So the syntax, did you observe? One more time I am showing. Do statements while condition. So next one more syntax is a ternary operator. One more syntax, ternary operator. Second one. You know all of you, ternary operator. It is also called as conditional assignment statement. It is also called as conditional assignment statement. Conditional assignment statement. We are using ternary operator. We are using ternary operator instead of if else statement. Instead of if else statement. To decrease the length of the code. In if else the code is little bit lengthy. If you want to decrease the length of the code, instead of if else we are using ternary operator. Now the syntax is ternary more than two operands. Syntax value is equal to condition. Value is equal to condition. Value 1 colon value 2 semicolon compulsory. So ternary operator, it is also called as conditional assignment statement. Why you are using ternary operator? Instead of if else statement, we are using ternary operator. If more than two operands are there also, we are using ternary operator. Now the syntax is value is equal to condition value 1 colon value 2. Now see here value 1 value 2. If the given condition is true, it will execute first value. If the given condition is false, then it will execute second value. Condition means this one, either a greater than b, a less than b, a greater than or equal to b, anything. If the condition is true, it will print first value. If the condition is false, it will print second value. Now I will show one sample example on your BlueJay system. Now take the new class ternary example. Take the new class. Open. Ternary example. Write the syntax for ternary means you have to write some points, syntax and then example. Or they'll ask what is the output of the above code. Like that they'll ask short answers. Int a comma b comma c. A is equal to value. B is equal to 4. Any value. C is equal to value is equal to condition according to syntax. Value 1 colon value 2 at the end semicolon. System dot out dot println C. Close main, close class, compile. See here, according to syntax, value is equal to condition value 1 colon value 2. So what is the condition here? A greater than B. A value is 5, B value is 4. 5 greater than 4, condition true. Condition true means first value it will execute. So what is this one? A value 5. So what is your output? 5. Compile, close, execute. So this is the output. Now for example, if it is false, the given condition is false. See, A less than B if you are using, compile. 5 less than 4, false. So what it is going to print? B value. B value is what? 4. That is a output for you. Either they will ask syntax of ternary operator, short notes on ternary operator, or what is the output of the above code, or converting from if else to ternary operator. So thank you. Next class I will continue the remaining syntaxes.